现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. It is time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hey Alice， 你有没有觉得我客语真的很溜了？现在？
哎呀，很强哦！
可是还是有一些朋友会觉得说，哦，好难哦。其实如果
天天使用，
对，
就不难了。
任何语言都是这样，不管是客语、台语、英文、日文、法文、德文、西班牙文一样。If you practice more, it will become easier. And this month we're teaching you the phrase if. 刚好这个月我们在教的这个片语叫做如果。
那嘿。
Nah, hey. All right, so let's put you in this situation. Someone saying that, oh, Hakka is so difficult, but if you practice more, you'll be able to speak fluently. 客家话好难哦。
客家话。
客家话。
很难哦。
很难哦。
客家话很难哦。
客家话 that's curry, all right? That's Hakka, the language, and 很难 that means very difficult. 你如果多说就会进步啦。If you speak it more, you would improve.
那嘿。
那嘿。
接讲。
接讲。
就会进步啦。
就会进步啦。进步就是进步。All right, that means to improve. 进步。
接讲。
接讲，接讲。
嘿呐，要常常讲啊。
接讲 that means to speak it often, frequently. 没错。那我就每天用客家话跟你聊天。
好啊，
对不对？应该的。All right, then I'll speak Hakka with you every day.
给爱秋。
给爱秋。
当你用。
当你用。
客家话。
客家话。
龙大嘴鼓。
龙大嘴鼓。大嘴鼓是要打什么鼓子？
不是，就是讲话。
大
嘴鼓。
哦，这嘴巴在讲话就对了。
因为我们讲话嘴巴会鼓起来啊，大嘴鼓。
Okay, 大嘴鼓 even though it sounds like beating the drums, but it actually means to talk, to chat, to have a conversation.
就是聊天啦。
聊天 that's right. And every day 叫做每天。
当你。
Okay, that's every day.
给爱秋，当你用客家话，龙大嘴鼓。
All right, seriously, anything you do, you should practice it every day and you get good at it, okay? Let's review some of these phrases such as to improve, 进步。
进步。
进步 and then every day 每一天啊。
当你
要干嘛呢？聊天 to have a conversation 聊天。
大嘴鼓。
大嘴鼓 all right? And if you do that, you will improve. So how do you say if? 如果。那嘿。好，请大家多收听 ICRT We Love Hakka。
对。
不是每一天听，是每一天要听5次，好不好
？5次太少，要10次。
好，那就是 Practical Hakka。
什么大家？
是谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.